Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add sliding timescale or pitch shift on your voice audio on Audacity. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Audacity application, which you can get using any browser of your choice on Google. Just go ahead and type Audacity. It's going to take you to the official website. Follow the on-screen prompt to download and install. And once you're done installing, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great time on Audacity. So right here, let's hop into today's text, how to add sliding timescale / pitch shift on your voice audio on Audacity. So let's just go ahead and create a voice audio. At this top, we're going to see this recording sign. So go ahead and click on recording and record. Hello, welcome to Basic Value Channel. And just like the name sounds, we're bringing the best value to you in just few simple steps. All you need to do is to listen to this tutorial from top to bottom, and then you're going to get maximum value for your time. Click stop, and now that we've stopped it, we have a voice audio. So we can now add this sliding timescale effect or pitch shift to our voice audio. Okay, so I like to add this effect or this preset to just a segment of the audio. I don't like to apply it to all parts of the audio, but if you want to apply it to all parts of the audio, I'm going to show you how to do that. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on the audio and then just double. So once you've double clicked it, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to undo this. All right, so once you double click this, you're gonna see that it has been selected, so you cannot apply the features to it. But I just like to add to a segment of it, and all I just have to do is to click on the left corner of my mouse. So once I click on that, I'm gonna see this slider. I'm not gonna have to drag it and stop it where I want to. So drag and drop. So this segment that is just called white is where I want to add my sliding timescale and pitch effect. So now that we're here, head over to the top corner, go ahead and click on effect. So now that I have effect, you can see this drop down menu, volume and compression, just a lot more. So I'm going to head over to pitch and tempo because that's where I'm going to find my feature. So I'm going to see an extended menu right here. Change speed and speech, no, slide and stretch, yes. So click on slide and stretch, and once you click on that, you're gonna now see that of course, the initial pitch shifts, sliding. This is the sliding time scale and the sliding effect thing. All right, so this is initial tempo change. You can change this to what you want. Find out tempo change. How many percent do you want that to be? Let's say 50. Initial tempo change. Let's make this 60. So this is the pitch, initial pitch shift. All right, and then semitones, 12 to 2 semitones, and all of this. So just go ahead. All right, and then the final pitch. All right, so this is a sliding time scale, and then the pitch shift or the sliding stretch. So now we go. So the thing is, so like this pitch shift, so this is just where you get it all done. So now that I have added all of these features and I have like mixed changes and tweaks to the spot, all you need to do is to click on preview. Now Audacity gives you just go ahead and stay where you are. Audacity gives you the opportunity to preview, that's to listen to how it sounds before you can go ahead and click on apply to apply the presets to your sound. So go ahead and click on preview to hear how it sounds and then hear the difference. So click on preview. All right, so no. So click on preview. Sorry about that. And as you can see, now you can hear how it sounds. You can see, you can hear how it sounds, you can hear how it sounds. So if it doesn't give you the exact thing that you want, you can go ahead and just keep changing all of these features. Just keep moving the slider, keep making changes, keep reviewing, keep making changes, keep reviewing, and then go ahead and click on apply at the end of the day and you'll be good to go. So this is pretty much how you can add the sliding timescale and pitch shift on your voice audio on Audacity. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.